Hi friend, I hope you are doing well and having a great day so far. Today's video is a quick kind of unboxing. I've already unboxed a few things here, but not all of it, of some friends items that I purchased from Revolution Makeup or Makeup Revolution. Not sure what they're called. But I did have an issue with something and they were kind enough and just sent me another one. So I really appreciated that. I'll show you that in just a second. But you may have seen the Friends stuff that's come out from Revolution. I saw some other items that just recently came out, and then they also had a free Glam Bag or something, and I didn't unbox that yet. So I don't even know what's in that. They didn't tell you what was in it. They just send it to you. Two of the things are palettes. Now, first of all, let me show you how this was sent. Obviously, like I said, I've unboxed it or opened the box. So here's the box. And the palettes weren't sent with any bubble wrap or anything around them, which isn't great, right? It did have, of course, this paper here, a couple pieces of that on top, but one of the palettes did come like completely broken. So I emailed them and they sent me another one. So I thought it was really nice that they did that. However, when I got the other one, it was basically the same thing. It wasn't broken, thankfully, but it was packaged the same way. So the other things that I've received from them, it seems like they had bubble wrap around all of the palettes that I've gotten from them. So I don't know what the issue here was. This is coming from somewhere in Kentucky, but Revolution Makeup is in England, London maybe. And it seems like the other items that I've purchased from there were sent from there. So I don't know if this is like a distribution company, so they're not packaging them the way they would from there in England. I don't know. But anyway, just something to be aware of. These palettes are so stinking cute. Okay, so I don't even know if I actually want to use them because they are so cute. So let me show you. First of all, this is called I'll Be There For You. How cute is this? And this is a 10. Like I said, I'm not sure I'm going to use these, so I don't know. Maybe I'll use the other one that's broken as kind of a decoration because I think it's so cute. This one does have some really good colors. The mirror up here so you can see the color names. Chandler's Job, nobody knows what Chandler's Job was. Ride Along with the Police Officer Poughkeepsie, where they went on a little vacation. Yeti, Dollhouse, Dirty Day. I mean, so some really cute, fun names, but I really like this palette. I think it's really pretty. Ooh, I didn't even notice. This is kind of like raised right there, so that's pretty cool. The other one that I got is called We Were On a Break. I mean, of course, the iconic frame on the door. Now these colors, I can almost guarantee you that I won't use just because I'm a little boring when it comes to my makeup. And it looks like one of these was kind of a little cracked. I just kind of pushed it back in there. These are definitely some bright colors. But I could use some of these as like pops of color for eyeliner because I do that a lot anyway with my eyeliner. I'll just get a brush wet and dip it in the color and then use it as an eyeliner. So we have New York, Big Break, Apartment, Love Machine, Duck, Foosball, Sofa, Chick. So some really cute names again and pretty colors, definitely pretty colors, just a little bit out of my comfort zone. But I really just wanted it for the 10. Okay, so this is going to be a mess. I just wanted to show you. You can kind of see over here already that it's like cracked. Yeah, it's just, yeah, not good. I might just clean it out and use it for decoration. Oh, I forgot that I also got this. This is a cooling eye roller ball. So probably what I had to do is get to a certain amount to get that Glam Bag and or get to a certain amount to get free shipping. So that's probably why I did this. I think it was like, I don't know, $5-6. I'll definitely link everything down below for you if they're still available so you can check them out if you're interested. This is interesting. I mean, it's of course it's heavy there on the end. It has like a little movable, almost like the perfume, you know, but this is movable and then that's movable. So yeah, that feels really good actually. This will be good if you use eye cream to put your eye cream on and then roll it over to kind of rub it in, to pat it in or whatever. Yeah, that feels really good. Now the last thing is this Glam Bag. Like I said, I have no idea what is in here. I don't like not knowing, but I figured, yeah, I'll take a chance. Okay, looks promising. So the first thing I will pull out is this. This is the Fit Fix Extra Hold Makeup Fixing Spray. And it says Makeup Obsession. So I don't know if that's an offshoot of Revolution. Not sure. But I'll definitely use it. Next is the Liner Revolution. So this is a waterproof, smudge-proof, intense black felt tip liner. So I'll definitely try it at some point. I will put it in my makeup stash. Next is a gloss, and this is I Heart Chocolate Lip Gloss. I had to put my glasses on to see. This is called Chocolate Orange, which is kind of interesting because it's not orangey at all, but it's a pretty color, a nice pinky nude. Here's another. This is a matte. So this is matte, maybe a liquid lipstick. It doesn't really say. The color on this one is called Matte Dollhouse. I'm not a huge fan of liquid lipsticks that are matte, and this is actually a really good color for my sister. I might give it to my sister because she looks way better in these colors than I do. Next is some drops. What is this? So this is I Love Revolution Angel Glow. So it's a liquid highlighter. I'm not seeing a color on here, but if I can find it, like I said, I'm going to link everything down below for you, but it's like a goldy, a bronzy color. It's definitely pretty. And the last thing in here is a palette. How cool. Ooh, this is pretty. Intensely Pigmented Foil Shadow Palette. So this is called Foil Frenzy Fusion. So aren't those pretty? And like I was saying just a few minutes ago, kind of like a pop of color, but I probably put these on the lid. So like this one would be really pretty on my lid, I think. This green, that would be really pretty. The lighter colors I think would be really nice on my skin tone. And then I could still use the darker ones with water, like I said, for it'd be like a sparkly type of liner, but it would be really pretty, I think. So that's a nice palette. I definitely don't have really anything like that. So that's really nice. Look at the back, how pretty that is. So that is my Makeup Revolution haul. I hope you liked it. But if you have like a favorite product, be sure and let me know. So maybe I can try it out the next time they have a sale, or if I can find it on sale at Ulta. But I hope you will like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.